How's it going, guys? Lockpicking coal miner here. Stock lock Sunday. We got a master lock Magnum, level 9 security. I figured I'd give it a try. Here's the bidding on the key. It's works good. Really nice lock. We'll go with the bottom of the keyway. Use the spare hose like a short hook. See if we can get it open. Anyway, I'd like to tell Albert LaBelle thanks for making that video on that Zarker. He took the time to order it, pick it, make a video for me, because I've been having a little trouble with it. I just wanted to tell him thanks. I appreciate it. It means a lot. But I hope everybody's staying safe. Well, that was it. Level 9 security on the Master Lock Magnum. But I hope everybody stays safe. I appreciate watching. Thank you.